Try it yourself, sending an AJAX response from jQuery. In this try-it-yourself exercise, you'll get a chance to implement some simple AJAX requests by using the jQuery load method. The resulting web page contains a left navigation that uses AJAX requests to load lorem ipsum boilerplate article data from the web server and populate the web page with the results. The purpose of this exercise is to give you a chance to see how the load method works. The solution files are in the book's Code Listings archive in the Hour 15 folder. The setup for Hour 15 is going to require some additional work on your part. You'll want to create subfolders under your Hour 15 project folder for CSS and JS as expected, but you'll also want data and PHP folders. Also, remember to store the images folder from the book's Code Listings archive at the root of your jQuery project path. Also, between now and the rest of the book, we may make use of PHP, so ensure that your development web server, whether you're using XAMPP or another system, is running the PHP server components. The Hour1501.html file should look pretty familiar to you at this point, with the exception of an article attribute to the span element. This is used by jQuery to identify which article should be loaded when the span is clicked. In the JS file, we have the ready handler. This adds a click handler called setArticle to the left navigation items on the web page. Now take a look in line 1 at the setArticle click handler. This calls the jQuery AJAX method load and populates the content div with new data loaded from the server. Notice that the article attribute in the span is red and an HTML extension is added so that the load method requests a different article for each link. Let's now select the HTML file and run the project so you can see how it works. We can click each of these links. First, hovering over them applies a really neat CSS highlight, and each click dynamically, using AJAX, pulls files from another directory in our project folder, specifically data, Article 1, Article 2, and Article 3 respectively. There we go, and there is the generic lorem ipsum text displayed in line in the frame.